Hi there! Today I'm making a delicious tuna salad with egg and cucumber. It's light, flavorful and perfect for dinner or as a quick snack any time of the day. Here's what we'll need: 7 ounces of canned tuna, 3 medium potatoes and 3 medium eggs, boiled and peeled, 1 medium onion, 2 fresh cucumbers, and 1/3 cup of mayonnaise or to taste. Start by preparing the onion. Slice the onion and place it in a mixing bowl. Add half teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, then mix well. Set it aside for about 10 minutes. There are a few different ways you can assemble this salad. You can lay the ingredients in a casserole dish or in a springform pan. Start with the grated potatoes and spread them evenly, creating a level layer. Sprinkle with a little salt and spread about 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise over the top. Next, add the drained and flaked tuna and followed by the red onion. Spread with mayonnaise. Then add chopped cucumber. And finally the grated eggs. Spread with mayonnaise on top and decorate with parsley leaves. Cover the salad with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 1 hour or even better overnight. Of course, you could mix all ingredients in a bowl and then put them on a serving plate, but layering makes the salad look festive, perfect for holidays or any special occasion. And that's it, your tuna salad is ready to serve and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching.